Hello, you're welcome once again to Developing Blended Learning for DBL at the University of Ibadan. And in this short session, I'm just going to introduce you to blended learning concepts, the definition, the why, the where, the how, and UI perspective of blended learning. And we're going to go about this in a very, very simple way. If you look at your WhatsApp page now, you will see a link that leads to this document that I'm showing, this DBL4 Day 1 activity. What is in the blend for the University of Ibadan? So if you click that link, you are going to come to a document, a Google Doc that I'm scrolling on now, and you are just going to do what is there exactly. The topic is there, and then you have what is in the blend for the University of Ibadan. The goal for this activity we want to carry out is to justify blended learning in the University of Ibadan. Then the second, to suggest tools that will be suitable for blended learning in the University of Ibadan. So what's the task? You have to read this task and proceed to the activity. When you get to the activity, you would actually see some links there. The first activity here says, read this blog and listen to this video. They would be of assistance to help advocate for blended learning. And then you would go to a Jamboard. The links are there. And in the final task, the final activity, there is a link to a Mentimeter, but you take it step by step and carry out the task. By the end of the task, I want to assure you that we would have achieved our goals. So see you at the end of the task. Thank you.